Hello, in today's video, we'll talk about how to qualify for the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. Watch until the end to learn how to do this and more. The Dolly Parton Imagination Library is open to all children under 6 years old. Other than this, there are no other eligibility requirements for your child to join the initiative. Once enrolled, your child will receive a free book every month. Here's how to sign your child up for the program. Check availability. Visit imaginationlibrary.com and click Check Availability to see if the program is available in your area. Select your country, enter your zip code, and choose your city and county. Then click Check if available. Enter your mailing address and provide the requested information. Alternative sign up. If online sign-up is unavailable in your area, visit the local affiliate's office. If there's no affiliate in your area, visit imaginationlibrary.com to start a program. Fill out the form and provide your contact information. A regional director will get in touch with the next steps. And that's how you qualify for the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. Thanks for watching and see you next time.